Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how you can sync your Instagram Reels perfectly with music using Canva's Beat Sync feature. If you've ever struggled to line up your video highlights with the beat of a song, or you want your Reels to look extra polished and professional without spending hours editing, this tutorial is definitely for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create those satisfying music-synced videos that pop on Instagram, and trust me, it's a lot easier than it sounds. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to Canva. You can do this in your web browser or on the Canva app, whichever you prefer. If you haven't already made a free account, go ahead and sign up. It only takes a minute or two. Once you're in, look up at the top right for the Create a Design button and give that a click. This is like your starting block for any new project in Canva. Now in the search bar, type Instagram. You'll see a bunch of options come up, but what we want today is Instagram Reels. Go ahead and select that. Canva will open a new editing workspace sized perfectly for the vertical format Instagram uses for Reels. No need to worry about cropping or resizing later. Next up, it's time to choose a template. This is where you get to let your creativity shine. Canva has an awesome library of ready-made Reels designs, so scroll through and pick one that matches the vibe you're going for. Whether you want something bold and colorful for a travel video or something minimalist for a quick how-to, there's plenty to choose from. Remember, you can always tweak the template later, so don't overthink it. Just pick one that stands out to you. Once your template is open, let's bring in some music. Look over on the left sidebar for the Elements tab, give that a click, and then head down to the Audio section. Canva offers a wide variety of audio tracks. Some are free, and some require a Canva Pro account, so keep an eye out for the little crown icon if you're on the free plan. Browse through and find a track you like for your reel. You can preview them by clicking, and when you found the one, simply drag it onto your timeline or just click once to add it. Now here, where the real magic happens, syncing your video to the beat. Click on the audio track you just added. Once it's selected, you'll notice something called Beat Sync on the top bar. Go ahead and click Beat Sync. What this does is really cool. Canva will automatically analyze the music and adjust your video clips or images to match up with the strongest beats. It's a massive time saver over trying to nudge things into place manually. If you've ever tried to do this by ear in another editing program, you know it can be a bit of a headache. You might see Canva doing its thing for a few moments. Don't worry if it takes a bit to process, especially if you have a longer video or a more complex track. Once Beat Sync is done, play your reel back and see how the visuals line up right with the song. It's pretty satisfying. You still have full control. If you want to tweak anything or swap out clips, you absolutely can. But most of the heavy lifting is now done for you, and that's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you've got a reel that's perfectly matched to your chosen audio. It's a super simple way to give your content that professional edge, even if you're brand new to editing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button so I know you want more videos like this. Drop a comment if you have any questions or other topics you'd like to see covered, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see the awesome reels you create with Beat Sync.